so you can use a lathe on this machine.
This has been unbelievably popular in the UK market, and I'm sure
really?
around the world as well. It really is, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
But is it because of the flexibility? So basically you can do any turning and also any 5-axis milling.
Actually, this is designed for small workpieces, and we have 2,000 RPM spindle on the lathe. So yeah, you can do like aluminum to stainless steel.
And you can also do full 5-axis machining as well, I believe. Now you can do 5-axis simultaneous.
Actually, we don't have a simultaneous movement, so just indexing.
Just indexing.
And we have a 4-axis simultaneous move. Yeah.
Have you had a good open house?
Yeah, it's been a good day. It's nice looking at some new bits, seeing what could come next.
What machines have you looked at?
Well, I've been looking at the big BM60 at the bottom. It's a nice big machine. But obviously, we've started using the automation, the Pro Cobot ourselves, where we work. So it's good to see a smaller version of it. We've got a bigger one, but it's still good to see it actually working because we struggled a bit of ours, but we're getting there.
We've come to look at a VM10. They've just given us a really good demo on it, and we're most impressed with it actually.
And what impresses you the most?
Ease of use, easy to program. The guys are interested in programming it manually directly into the control box. They've emphasised on that in the demo, and yeah, it's definitely really good, and we really like one.
Seeing a lot of smaller machines, is that because you're winning work, let's say, not necessarily just from the OEMs?
Yeah, we're looking to provide a research and development or a manufacturing improvement programme for all sectors of industry, so from large OEM companies down to SMEs. In fact, SMEs are a real focus for us and have been from the start. But so we try and have machines and capability here to help all sectors of UK manufacturing. So we've got large machines such as a large VTL, and I think it is probably the largest machine of that type in a research facility, not just in the UK but probably anywhere in the world. We'll have to check that fact, but it's probably true.
But on there we've got caimans from 1.5mm up to 16mm, so we can cover all eventualities, the heavy roughing, get the swarf away, get the chips out, and obviously then we've got the very small tools for picking up the fine detail in the small corner pockets.
So for engineers watching this and they want to learn more, maybe they don't have the software or maybe even the know-how initially, I know you can help there as well.
Yeah, we can offer a full consultancy to any of our clients, our current clients that we have at the moment. Any future people want to get involved with quick grind, we'll come to your place of work, we'll evaluate what you do, we'll make suggestions and potential time savings, and then we can, even if you'd like us to, we'll come up to your factory and we'll program the job and put the tools on the job for you and give you 100% faith in what quick grind can offer.
Totally, yeah. I mean, if you've got the cycle time to accommodate that, we've got pallet recognition on there as standard, so it's very easy to have a complete mix of parts on there. One of the other points that you should look at is the control is very, very capable. We've got 2,500 block look ahead.
What about the communication between these two as well? That's often something people need to think about. How do you control the pallet system via the control, or do you do it independently?
Yeah, the whole system is fully integrated, so it's a joint venture with 3R and Kitamura. They've done a lot of work to integrate it. It's not just a bolt-on that they've come up with.
We're with Andrew from Balance Systems, which is supplied by Leaderchuck International in the UK. It's all about grinding and improving that process. What is this we've got here, Andrew?
Steve, great to be back at exhibitions, and it's great to see some of the GOM products in action. The GOM Scan Cobot.
We're here at the Fanuc Open House and I've collared Rick here to tell me about the Halter Load Assistant. He's also got some chocolate there. I'm hoping he's going to let me have some later.
We'll share some chocolate maybe.
We'll do that.
We try and look at it in a more simplistic, start with some easier tasks, build your knowledge and experience up, and then, you can start to use some of the more intelligent functions like vision, with the robots to understand how to do simple tasks. So, that's coming more and more, and that'll be, enhanced and developed over the next few years. The robots are getting eyes, the vision systems are there. How good are they? What can you do with them? And that will bring a lot more stability, and not say stability, but a lot more ease of automation to invest in it, to install it, and to make a solution work.
Adam, do you watch MTD as well?
Yes, I do. I'm a big fan.
And what do you like about it?
It's great. It's just he's getting information about the latest machines, the latest equipment. Anyone that's really into it, well, what are you doing?
I think MTD gives a good opportunity to look at what's going on within the industry that we're in, but also outside of the industry. What are other industries doing? What are other companies doing? What's new innovation that we can maybe look and see how can we bring that to our customers within Zeiss?